my name is Bram and I recently started working at the multi-telly line as a new build mechanic at Nooteboom. Our department receives a painted chassis from the paint shop and we have to assemble it. We have to fit the axles, install the pneumatics, air and grease tubes, and we also align the trailers. I started my career with Nooteboom 5 months ago. I was looking for work in the technical sector and thought Nooteboom manufacture a great product, so I ended up at Nooteboom via the internet. Most trailers are varied, the customer asks for different things all the time. I love it when I'm on my motorbike on the motorway and I see a Nooteboom trailer. It makes me proud and I think, I made that.
Nooteboom gets you there.